Wait, what is that?
Okay.
You need a bigger font then, because
So this is our product development class. We're in groups, and each of our groups is developing a product. We started with market research, but now we're in our prototyping phase.
So today we are making a product called the Better Pocket, and it's essentially a healthy alternative to your traditional Hot Pocket. So it's the perfect replacement for someone that needs a quick and convenient meal on the go, but is looking for something healthy and more plant-forward.
Our group is feeling pretty confident with our presentation. We're pretty excited to share all of the math, all of the market research, all of hard work we've done these past 3 months.
This is one of my favorite events that we do. It's a lot of fun. I can't wait to try the food. I actually haven't had any introduction to what we'll be getting today, so this is new to me as well. The Better Pocket.
And this could be for health purposes, sustainability purposes, or ethical reasons.
This is just an ingredient breakdown.
And we found that college students prefer to buy snack packs.
it's high in protein. There's about 25%.
Once again, I'd like to do a round of applause for all of our